Dear student friends, I am G. N. Argun. In previous class, we have discussed about the first function of management, planning. In this class, we are going to deal with the second function of management, that is organizing. The contents of organizing are meaning, step in the process of organizing, importance, types of organizational structure, types of organization, delegation, elements of delegation, importance of delegation, decentralization, and last one, importance of decentralization. Now comes to the meaning part. Organizing essentially implies a process which coordinates human efforts, assembles resources, and integrates both into unified whole to be utilized for achieving the specified objective. After preparing a plan, we have to implement the plan. To implement the plan, we have to gather all the resources. Either it may be a natural resources or it may be a human resources. After gathering all the resources, we have to work toward the organizational goal to accomplish the task. Next, organizing can be defined as process that initiate implementation of plan by clarifying the job and working relationship. We have to clarify the working relationship. We have to clarify who is going to report to whom, from whom you are going to take the order, who is going to command, from who is going to be accountable. Next, steps in the process of organizing. First one, identification and division of work. In this, the work is divided into manageable activities so that duplication can be avoided and burden of work can be shared. Here first we have to identify the different work. We have to identify what are the works to be completed, what are the works to be done, and after identifying we have to divide the work. We have to classify the work among the different workers. So the burden of top level management shared by the middle level management, the burden of middle level management shared by the operational level or lower level of management. Departmentalization. Once work has been divided into small and manageable activities, then those activities which are similar in nature are grouped together. Such grouping process is called as a departmentalization. Here we have to identify the similar nature of work. What are the similarity in all the working condition? After finding the similarity, we have to group all the similarity. That grouping is nothing but called as a departmentalization. Assignment of duties. It is necessary to define the work of different job position and accordingly allocate the work to various employees. Here we have to assign the duties. We have to give the different responsibility to the different employee according to their efficiency, according to their effectiveness, according to their caliber, according to their performance, according to their knowledge. We have to divide the duties. Establishing reporting relationship. Allocating work is not enough. Each individual should also know who he has to take order from and to whom he is going to be accountable. Here, just allocating duties and responsibilities is not enough. We have to establish the reporting relationship, from whom you are going to take the command, from whom you are going to take the order, and after taking the order, after completion of the task, to whom you are going to report, to whom you are going to answerable. Here accountable is nothing but refers to the answerable. Importance of the organizing. Benefit of specialization. It leads to systematic allocation of job among the various workforce. Here every worker, every employee is not equal because every employee has different qualification, different experience, different knowledge, different efficiency. According to their efficiency, according to their knowledge, according to their caliber, they are getting the work. If according to their knowledge they are getting the work, it helps to achieve the organizational goal. Clarity in working relationship. The establishment of working relationship clarifies the lines of communication and specify who is reports to whom. Earlier we have discussed. Here we have to establish the communication line, from whom you are going to take the order, who is going to command you, and afterwards, after getting the command, after completion of the task, after completion of your responsibility, to whom you are going to report, to whom you are going to responsible. Optimum utilization of resources. It leads to proper usage of all material, finance and human resources. Utilization of resources refers to all the resources, either it may be natural resources, human resources, man-made resources, men, money, material, machines. Everything we have to utilize accordingly. When it is to be utilized, how much it is required, optimum utilization. Optimum utilization refers to the utilization up to its usage. How much it is required, that much only we have to utilize. Adaptation to change. The organizing allows a business enterprise to accommodate change in the business environment. Here, every organization needs the changes. Constantly, they are not going to work same. They need the changes. With the help of organizing, we can bring the changes in the organization to achieve the organizational goal. Effective administration. Organizing provides a clear description of job related to the duties. Clarity in working relationship enables proper execution of work. Here, again and again, repeatedly, working relationship is going to be occurred. It means in organizing, specially who is going to be work, when it is going to be work, from whom they are getting the command, to whom they are going to be answerable, plays a vital role. It means in organizing, we have to give the importance to the working relationship. Development of personnel. Organizing stimulates creativity amongst the manager. Effective delegation allows the manager to reduce their workload by assigning a routine job to their subordinates. Here, top level management delegate their responsibility to middle level management. Middle level management delegate their responsibility to the operational level or lower level of management, so that every personnel can develop themselves. Expansion and growth. Organizing helps in the growth and diversification of enterprise by enabling it to deviate from existing norms and taking new challenges. Here, with the help of organizing, the growth of the organization is possible. Next, types of organizational structure. There are two types of organizational structure. The first one, functional structure, grouping of job of similar nature under functional and organizing these major function as a separate department creates a functional structure. Here you can see in the image, there is a managing director, human resources, marketing, research and development, purchasing. These below four are different departments. These below four departments are working in the under the managing director. Managing director is the top level, and the human resource, marketing, research and development, purchasing, they comes under the middle. They are getting the command from the managing director. They are going to implement. They are going to report to the managing director. Next one, advantages. It leads to occupational specialization since emphasis is placed on specific function. In case of functional structure, here we are going to give importance to only one department. It may be a marketing department, it may be a research and development department, it may be a human resource department, or it may be a purchasing department. You will become perfect only in one department. It promotes to control and coordination within the departments. It means you are going to coordinate within the departments. You are not going to coordinate beyond the department. You are not going to communicate. You are not going to interact with another department. You are going to communicate within the departments. Next one, it helps to increase managerial and operational efficiency. Here you are going to develop your efficiency in one particular department. You will become expert. You will become expert in purchasing department. You will become expert in human resource department. You will become expert in finance department, or you will become expert in research and development department. It leads to minimum duplication of efforts. Here, the repetition of work, duplication of effort is going to be minimized because you are under one department and you have know well which work you have performed and which work you are going to be performed. It means there will be no chances of duplication of work. It make training easier of employee. Here, with the help of functional structure of organization, the training of the employee will become easy because employee is not going to concentrate on different department. Employee is going to concentrate on only one department. Either it may be purchasing department, or it may be research and development department, it may be a finance department, it may be a human resource and development department. Now, disadvantages. The functional structure has some disadvantages, or we can say some drawbacks. A conflict of interest may arise when interest of two or more departments are not compatible. Here, there are many departments Purchasing department is not going to communicate with the finance department. If the interest of both the departments are differ, there will be chances of conflict. There will be chances of misunderstanding. Next one, it may leads to problem in coordination as information has to be exchanged. Here information is going to exchange from one department to another department, from purchasing department to human resource department, from human resource department to research and development department, from research and development department to the purchasing department, from purchasing department to the finance department, from one department to another department. It means there will be chances of the problem in the coordination. Next one, it may leads to inflexibility as a people with same skill and knowledge base may develop narrow perspective. Here the information, the knowledge will remain same. They are not going to increase, they are not going to develop themselves, because one employee is working under one department. It means they will become only expert in one department. Last one, it places less emphasis on overall enterprise's objective than the objectives pursued by the functional head. Here, in case of functional structure, we are not giving importance to the organizational goal. We are giving only importance to the departmental goal. Next, last one, the functional structure is only suitable for when size of the firm is large. When the size of the firm is large and product is only one, then the functional structure of organization is suitable. Now, next one, divisional structure. This structure is suitable particularly to those enterprises which have more than one category of product to offer. Here, divisional structure is suitable where one company is offering different kinds of product. Under one brand, there are different products are manufactured by the company. As you seen in the image, there is a deodorant department, there is a chips department, there is a soap department, and there is a fruit department. Every different departments are there, but it is under one brand only. Now, advantages. This helps to gain experience in all functions related to a particular product. Here, with the help of divisional structure, an employee will become expert in a particular product. All the things, either it may be features, it may be characteristics, everything known by the employee about the particular product. Second one, divisional head accountable for the profit. Here, whatever profit arises by the particular product, or if the company is under the losses from the particular product, the only head of the particular department is accountable. Accountable refers to the answerable. It promotes flexibility and initiate because each division function as an autonomous unit. Here, autonomous unit, it means they are independent, they are not dependent. Whatever initiative taken by the particular department, they can bring the changes. It facilitates expansion and growth as new division can be added without interrupting the existing. Here, company can add new product, company can add new division without interrupting, without disturbing, without any disturbance to the existing product. Now, disadvantages. Conflict may arise among the different division with reference to the allocation of fund. Now, here there will be chances of conflict because different departments are there, different products are there. Which one product is getting maximum fund, which one product is getting minimum fund. By getting minimum fund, they are maximizing the profit. By getting the maximum fund, they are minimizing the profit. There will be chances of conflict. Next one, it may lead to increase in cost since here may be duplication of activity. In case of divisional structure, in case of division of work, here duplication of work will be possible. It means there will be chances of huge cost. Here, one activity performed on one department, same activity again performed by another department. It means here possibility of duplication of work. If there will be possibility of duplication of work, then it will be wastage of fund. It provides manager with authority to supervise all activities related to the particular division. Here, one supervisor is going to supervise all the particular division. It means the burden on the supervisor is more. Suitability. This structure is suitable for those business enterprises where large variety of products are manufactured. It means here this product is specially suitable under one brand. There are many products are going to be manufactured. Thank you. Stay safe. Here I am going to conclude this class. If you have any doubts, you need any clarification, you can contact on my WhatsApp number.